Hello and welcome. I've got in front of me Pilote V633M campervan on a Fiat Ducato. Price for this is 85,220. This vehicle here, let's have a look inside, distinguishes itself, I would have to say. Well, first of all, it's the colour, but I really like the layout at the back. So you might think that this bed is a long way up. Indeed it is, but what it offers is all this space below. This will move up and down to wherever you need it, giving all of this space below to carry something like, you might want to carry bikes, motorbike, spare hippopotamus, whatever it is, then that would do. Let's have a look in here. This is the shower. It's a rather large shower, and it's got what I call now the trough approach to a sink. So the water comes in here and then it falls into your trough, which is below it. I would use a basin in there, the water would come into the basin, and then that's how I would keep it. Water often, for those of us who live off-grid, comes sometimes we have to recycle it. We have to use it more than once. Anyway, it's a subject for a different time. Very nice washroom in my opinion. Sensible sliding door. People have told me they're difficult to clean, but I haven't had that pleasure yet. Let's come inside just to make the point clear. I'm carrying a backpack, so it makes a difference. Look how space. Look at all this. Look at all this. So you can be really tall. Got space in here to put your smelly things, and you've even got a window so you can keep an eye on what's going on outside whilst using the toilet. At the same time, also you've got access here to your fridge. You can open that up and see what's inside whilst coming out of the shower. And of course, down here you've also got access to the wardrobe, or even a shelf inside. Now the kitchen here is the same as in every camper van, just about. It's a sink and two burners, and look at all that space there. That space there. That space there. But looking to the front, this really, it's so much space in this vehicle. I do appreciate, personally, I'm always on about storage, I know, but I do like to be able to stand up. This is just me, maybe other people it's not a problem for them, but I like to have be able to stand up and to get into the seats relatively easily, and that's what all this space here gives, I think. There's another feature here I want to show as well. Up here you've got these storage above the kitchen unit. You've got storage up there. You've got the spice rack here. I think it's all very positive. Incidentally, the noise in here is it's a press conference currently going on, and it's for the Pilote group, or it's a Francia press conference. Let's have a look now around the back. Now, I appreciate that 85,000 is a lot of cash for a camper van. Look at all of this. Look at all that space you've got here. People asking me all the time, I want a camper van for a motorbike. Well, this would work, wouldn't it? Or isn't there enough space down there? I don't know. I'm not a motorbiker. Also, you've got storage here, storage there. It's great for the amount of storage it actually offers. Absolutely wonderful. This here, incidentally, when it's you don't lie in it when you're moving it up and down. It's got a 60 kilo moving capacity, so don't put up weight on top of it when it's moving, but it will take 400 kilos of weight in the bed when it's got to the position it's going to. And I believe in this case also you can put it in any position you want and line it. It's not a case as they were once, you have like 2 or 3 positions and had to be locked in that position. No, now you can put it wherever you want. So if you want it easier to get into, then you don't have to put it that high. But one thing also note, it hasn't got the storage at the top, which the benefit of this not having the storage means you've got more space to lie in bed. And as the outer wall of the vehicle is contoured, you've got also these mattresses to fit in there. This is a vehicle I really appreciate. 636 centimeters in length. For those looking to carry things, there are other brands which manufacture the same sort of, but this has got a design which has been very well thought out, in my opinion. Now you see, you've got also here, got a similar thing. This is the Yukon with the. Also note it's got the high roof, but for the Yukon, you're looking at a good 15% more money. And now Yukon, it's made in the same factory as the Pilote. It's the same ownership as Pilote, and it's all the same. So it's even on the Ducato base. So Pilote is a much better option, in my opinion. Now in this haul we've got various vehicles from the Pilote group. So that's Francia, the most expensive. Then we've got Le Voyageur, which is a French luxury brand. Then we've got Pilote, and then we've got Joie, which is sort of their cheap version. Now Yukon is a brand of Francia. Now, so Caravan Salon, largest RV event held in the world, and so this is held as from the last Saturday in August. So you've had a little bit of a walk around this part. I do like to, when I finish with a van, I do like to show people around what else is available. Yeah, you see, these things look impressive, but I don't know. It's a long Mercedes. Anyway, I'll do that in a different video. Here we have, there you go. So this is the one I've just featured, the V633M. Lots of positive points. I couldn't find anything negative to say about it, so I failed in my job. And note the extended roof as well, so that, which is the reason why I've got all that space inside. I don't think I said that, but that was the reason why so much space. Normally Fiat is much lower than that. Anyway, thanks for watching. All the best. Bye from me.